Addiction requires a health-based approach. The focus should be on harm reduction and prevention, and ultimately saving lives. The programme for government commits to establishing a citizens' assembly on drug use. It's an incredibly important issue that requires reform. We need to take a holistic approach in tackling the issue of drugs in Ireland. Addiction requires a health-based approach. The focus should be on harm reduction and prevention, and ultimately saving lives. Best practice, such as the Portuguese model, suggests decriminalising possession of small amounts for personal use is very effective. We need to reform our drug policy and make sure it focuses on individuals and communities while holding criminality to account. The Citizens' Assembly, Taoiseach, on biodiversity is so welcome, but the government are also launching an assembly on the Dublin Mayor. And just Taoiseach, surely the drug use is a much more pressing issue that is affecting countless communities and families. Where is the Citizens' Assembly on drug use, and why isn't it being prioritised?
In the programme for government, the agreement of the three parties would be that we would commence a number of citizens' assemblies. Because of COVID-19, we were not in a position to do that. And so we've, in terms of two of the commitments, one has been established on biodiversity, which is a crisis, and likewise in terms of, which had been agreed in terms of the Dublin Mayor. In terms of drugs policy, it's our view that we would have a citizens' assembly in the latter part of this year. But that doesn't mean that there's nothing going on in terms of drugs policy. It's an urgent issue, and it's a very serious issue that has to be, I think, dealt with in the context of a community-based approach with multidisciplinary supports going into the communities most affected, and a health-based approach. But in any event, we're very seized of the very serious situation in many communities now as a result of drug abuse.
Thank you, Deputy Gino.